everyone, welcome back to Sandile Ntuli. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we are talking about Advocate Mshololo. She's been trending guys for the past few weeks, and she received a lot of praises and positive feedback after she represented accused number 5 ecaleni lika Senzo Meyiwa. Guys, it's been long. Senzo Meyiwa washona ngo-2014 nanamhlanje there is no light ukuthi wabulawa ubani kanjani. One of Advocate Mshololo's old client posted the following message on Twitter. Igama lakho Sandile Ntuli. He said, Mshololo is a monster in court. It takes no bullshit. If it wasn't for her, I would be behind the bars today. I owe this lady a lot. She ripped it through my ex and her family, exposed infidelity and extortion and blackmail, ended 2 years or my 2 years of endless court battles. Hashtag Mshololo, hashtag Senzo Meyiwa's trial. As usual guys, people started commenting and the other one said, I can personally attest to that. We always brief her in our criminal matters and she always, and I mean always, deliver. I think she can be brilliant. However, there is a lot of dynamic in this case. Let's not forget how she unpacked things that were not clear regarding the crime scene through Mr. Musia. Advocate Mshololo can be great given a chance. Let's watch the unfold. Then the last person said, she was brilliant in your case, but on Senzo Meyiwa's case, she has been a big disappointment. Abanyege guys, they are asking for her numbers, and that guy said he cannot post it publicly, but uzobathumela in private. I'm not familiar with court cases, but I can say I really enjoyed Advocate Mshololo's session with Mr. Musia, and I'm looking forward to Lili Cala. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Do you think we will ever find iqiniso ngomuntu wabulala uSenzo Meyiwa? Let's talk on the comment section. Bye.